Our definition of a great builder is someone who continually perfects their process. I started Simply Home over 14 years ago to resolve the struggles and the stress and the confusion that comes from the remodeling process.
My name is Christina Ingold. During the process of building, I felt like they were almost too good to be true. I felt complete peace of mind. The scope ended up increasing. They were projects that took a lot of craftsmanship. I was really thankful that I found them to be able to do all those projects for me.
Our proven process is based on planning, preparation, careful execution, transparency, and communication.
I also liked the fact that they were woman-owned, because in the past I had been taken advantage of by some male contractors who you would give a deposit to, and then you never know if they're going to show up for your job or if they care about you as a person.
We're here to alleviate stress, not add to it. Our clients trust us, not just because there's going to be a beautiful outcome, but also because we have unwavering standards for dependability, communication, and transparency.
When I finally looked at their website, it resonated with me. It gave me the feeling of trustworthiness, approachability. I could tell they were very process-oriented.
Between managing contractors, navigating through permits, overseeing timeline and budget, building a home is extremely complicated. At Simply Home, we knew our experience had to be based on just that, simplicity. We take what is normally a chaotic and disruptive experience and make it calm and peaceful and intentional. When we say that we're reimagining remodels, we really mean it.
Everyone in the neighborhood knows about Simply Home through me. Their processes are top-notch and the communication can't be beat. So yes, I recommend them hands down all the time.
That's why we started Simply Home. We learn what makes the process so stressful, and then we reverse engineer it to make it successful. We made developing our process our passion, and creating exceptional projects is just a side effect.